Hi, my name is Asta and welcome to part 3 of this tutorial on how to create a custom web app. In part 1, we created a form where users were able to input song requests they would like a DJ to play, as well as all of that data being instantly displayed on a queue. In part 2, we created a login form for the DJ where they can update any songs with notes that they have, or delete the songs and have it be updated live on the queue. In this part, we are going to be deploying everything that we coded so you can have a shareable link using AWS. But AWS stands for Amazon Web Services, and create an account. If you have one already, click on, or in the search bar, search for S3. After it loads, you're going to see a screen that says buckets. On the right, go to create a bucket. In here, put in the name you want your link to display. I am going to be naming mine Play This Song. Scroll down and remove the block all public access. Scroll down even more and click on create a bucket. Now we are back at the buckets page and click on the bucket we made. Play this song. In here, go to properties and scroll all the way down to where it says static website hosting. Click on edit and change the website hosting to enabled. Where it says index document, write the main file that we created. In our case, it's going to be display.html, which is the queue that we want the user to see first. There is also a column for error document if you have a separate error file. Scroll down and click on save changes. Now go back to the Objects tab and click on the button that says Upload. Click on Add Files and add all of the code that we have created for the web app. Click on Upload and go to the Permissions tab. In here, we are going to the bucket policy. Click on the button that says Edit and then go to the tab that says Policy Examples. Scroll down to the granting read-only permissions to an anonymous user and copy it. Go back to the bucket and paste it here, and where it says example.url, enter the bucket name, which is play all songs, and save changes. It should say access public, but just to double check, go back to the buckets page and you will see that it says that. Click on our bucket and go to properties and scroll down to where it says static website hosting, and there is our link. You can easily share this around, and when we click on it, we can test out our web app. So it opens to the DJ queue, and to test it out, let's put in another song request. I am putting in a song, Save Your Tears by The Weeknd. And as you can see, the alert on the top, it has the URL that we have through AWS. And it says form submitted successfully. Now go back to the queue and you can see our latest input right there. If you click in for the DJ login, we are going to delete the song The Way. And again, the same pop-up comes up. It refreshes and it's deleted. And we check it out on the queue, and it is deleted from there as well. And now your site is deployed, and with this link you can easily share it or even make a QR code of it and have it available for your next event. If you want a custom URL or to secure the site even more, we have an article about how to deploy using a Google domain and secure it with HTTPS. That will be in the description below, as well as parts 1 and 2 of this tutorial. If you have any questions or concerns, put them in the comments or email us at info@lovespreadsheets.com. Thank you for watching, and let us know what web app you are going to create with all of this.